The inaugural edition of the Greater Shawi Music Festival took place over 3 days, with 9 different acts performing to sold-out crowds at 3 different venues: The House, the George Hotel and Thornley's.
You say I'm crazy, I got diamonds on the soles, my shoes, well, it's funny. So I headed for the coastland with my favorite guitar and a dented but shining gold horn. Knew I couldn't play it, but it made me feel better just to see it on the passenger floor. Out driving south with the radio playing old songs and thinking about my old wrongs, quietly drifting away
in the arms of the angel. Fly away from me, from this dark hotel room and the aimlessness that you feel. You are poor and burn down the town, but take none of the blame. Oh, you did it again and again till you ruined the land. And oh, you only ever hurt yourself, and now there is no one around to hold your hand.
Watching the stream, the flood with the night as they couldn't tell the dreams from the lies they